Good morning students, welcome again. So what were we learning this throughout this time? We were learning English lesson number 1 red sloppy lips. क्या पढ़ रहे थे हम? English का lesson number 1 red sloppy lips. Students, we have completed our vocabulary section, right? हमने vocabulary section homophones तक complete किया था. Today we are going to learn grammar. What we are going to learn? Grammar. So open your textbook page number 13. What you have here under grammar section? Common and neuter gender nouns. Do you know students what is gender? Like nouns पता है? Nouns क्या है? Nouns means the name of a person, place, animal or thing. है कि नहीं? Nouns मतलब किसी का भी नाम. But do you know what are gender nouns? What do you mean by gender? Gender means either male or a female, either boy or a girl. This is said as, or these are considered as common. And what are neuter gender? Non-living things are said to be as neuter gender. Understood? Once again I am repeating. Here in common gender nouns we will mention two, that is male and female. Okay students, while reading gender nouns you will have masculine gender, feminine gender, but here we are not going to go much in deep. है कि नहीं? हम common gender पढ़ेंगे which can be both male and female. For example teacher. Teacher can be a man, can be a woman. है कि नहीं? टीचर कोई भी हो सकता है, या तो मैम हो सकते हैं या तो सर हो सकते हैं. सो टीचर इज कॉमन जेंडर. डॉक्टर, नाउ इट इज सेड डॉक्टर. नाउ कैन यू टेल मी इट इज़ अ मेल डॉक्टर और अ फीमेल डॉक्टर? डॉक्टर मैन है क्या वुमेन है, बॉय है कि गर्ल है? कैन यू से? नो. सो दिस वर्ड लाइक टीचर, मैनेजर, डांसर, सिंगर, डॉक्टर, पेशेंट, we cannot identify whether they are male or female, and that's why those things are called as common gender nouns. So once again let's revise. Under common gender we will include male as well as female, and one more thing students, we can include animals also, because in animals also there are male animals and some are female animals. So all these things comes under common gender nouns, whereas non-living things like gate, garden, sofa, chair, fan, house, school, hospital, this will come under neuter gender nouns. इनमें होता है क्या कोई gender? Male school, female school ऐसी होती है क्या? No. These are just termed as neuter gender nouns because these are non-living things. But child, manager, baby, dancer, neighbors, teacher, doctors, passengers, patients, these are termed as common gender nouns, because we cannot identify that the person is male or female. है कि नहीं? If it is said a patient is there, can you tell me a patient is a girl patient or a boy patient? Patient लड़की है कि लड़का है? Can we tell? No. So here it comes under patient. The word patient comes under common gender nouns. Now students, let's see what we have in our workbook. Read the following sentence. How he wished he had brought a friend along. Yes, हमने हमारे स्टोरी में पढ़ा था कि विक्टर क्या विश करता है कि उसे अपने फ्रेंड को लाना चाहिए. बट कैन यू टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रेंड इज़ अ गर्ल और अ बॉय? पता है फ्रेंड कौन है, गर्ल है कि बॉय? नो. सो दिस द वर्ड फ्रेंड कम्स अंडर कॉमन जेंडर नाउन्स. He pulled his jacket up over his head to help keep the rain away. Now the word jacket, is it a male or female? Can you tell? No. Jacket word is non-living thing. एक non-living thing है, non-living object है. So can we categorize it as common? नो. हम इसे कौन से कैटेगरी में लिखेंगे? न्यूटर जेंडर नाउन्स की. क्या है जैकेट? न्यूटर है. इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. नाउ सी हियर इन द सेंटेंसेस, फ्रेंड इज अ कॉमन जेंडर नाउन and jacket is a neuter gender noun, a noun that refers to a person like friend. either be male or a female is called common gender noun. जब हमें पता नहीं होता है कि that the person is female or a male, we count them under common gender noun. For example, teacher and doctor. A noun that refers to non-living things like book. A book is a male, a book is a female. Girl book है कि boy book है? No, book एक non-living thing है. So we will keep this book under neuter gender noun. Once again, a noun that refers to non-living things is called neuter gender noun. Example, gate, chair and sofa. I hope students you are finding it more interesting. मज़ा आ रहा है? Yes or no? Let's see what we have in the exercise. What is written here? Underline each noun and write it in the correct column. One has been done for you. See, एक common gender वाला column है और एक neuter gender. What is the first one? The teacher sat on the chair. Now here two nouns are there. Teacher and chair. Teacher is a name of a person and chair is a name of a thing. So teacher, it is a common or neuter? Common. Do you know teacher is a male or a female? पता है क्या? Girl teacher है या boy teacher है? No, it is just said teacher. So it will come under common gender. You can see it is written here. Chair. Chair is a living thing? No, it is a non-living thing. So it is neuter gender. तो हम किसके नीचे लिखेंगे? Neuter के कॉलम में लिखेंगे chair. So student, in the same way, let's complete our remaining sentence. The children played with the ball. The children played with the ball. So how many nouns are there? Children is a noun, ball is a noun. ये दो nouns हैं. Children, do you know? Girl children खेल रही है, boys children है, कौन है? Do we know? No, it means it is commonly said as children. So we will write children under common gender. तो यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे लिखना है. Read children. Children. Ball is a non-living thing. So we will write under neuter gender, ball, ball. Next, the passenger sat in the train. Passenger is a noun, name of a person. Train, name of a thing. Passenger, it is common. It can be male, it can be female. Girl passenger भी हो सकती है, boys passenger भी हो सकते हैं, right? So passenger will come under common gender noun. Write passenger, passenger. Whereas train is a non-living thing. Train क्या है? Non-living thing. तो हम किसके अंडर लिखेंगे? Neuter gender के अंदर. The doctor used a stethoscope to check me. The doctor used a stethoscope to check me. Doctor is a noun. Stethoscope is a noun again. So doctor, common gender. It can be a girl or it can be a boy. So write doctor under common gender. Stethoscope, it is a neuter because stethoscope क्या होता है? Non-living thing. Students, आपने देखा रहेगा ना, whenever you go to a doctor, doctor के गले में वो black सा होता है. Then they keep on the heart side. They listen to the heartbeats. वो चीज़ को क्या कहते हैं? स्टेथोस्कोप. वो लिविंग थिंग है क्या? नो, नॉन लिविंग थिंग है. सो इट इज़ न्यूटर जेंडर. रीड द स्पेलिंग एंड राइट. STE, राइट, STETHOSCOPE, stethoscope. My friends love to read books. So what is noun here? Friends and books. So friends will come under common gender. FRIENDS, friends. और books किसके अंडर में आएगा? न्यूटर जेंडर, BOOKS, books. Understood student? In this way you have to complete page number 13 only grammar side. Complete it, revise it again. Okay? I hope you have enjoyed this. You can understand now what are common and neuter gender nouns. Complete this in your English workbook page number 13. Okay, bye bye.